How to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account Canada on PC. Now, first of all, open your Bitget account and head over to buy crypto. Now click P2P on P2P trading. Now after that, click on sell because we want to withdraw the money. After that, select the token that you want to withdraw. In this case, it will be USDT. Now here, select your currency. In this case, it will be CAD. This is the Canadian currency. After that, set the amount that you want to sell. And after that, select your bank account from here, for example, Wise. Now after that, select one of these providers from here. After you select your provider that you want to sell your token to, click on sell next to it. Now click on confirm. After that, here you can type how much you want to sell, and here you will be able to see how much you will be able to receive on your currency. After that, click on add payment method. Now select again the Skrill, the Wise that you select. After that, provide the email of your account on Wise. So after that, click on save and use. Now after that, click on sell USDT. In about a few minutes, you will be able to receive your money on your bank account. So this is how to withdraw money from Bitget to bank account Canada on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.